Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Wow Embossing. Today we're celebrating our January 2022 release, and I'm really excited to introduce you to all of the amazing new products that make this release. So we'll start with Stencils, and this is our new Sprinkles stencil. This is our Sprinkled Hearts stencil, which is perfect for the upcoming Valentine's season. Then here we have our Diamonds stencil. This is our new Balloons stencil. So you've got the repeating balloon patterns there, and then at the top there you have the little highlight for each balloon. And this is our new Twister stencil. Moving on to stamps. This is our new Hexagons stamp set, and because of how that's made, you can repeat that. It'll slot in with itself. And this is our new Twinkling Love stamp set. So moving on, we have the first of our new trios. This is the Pastel Gemstones trio, which is the new trio from our design team member Martina. So you've got Blue Aventurine, Lemon Amber, and then at the bottom there is Rose Quartz. Next up we have a new trio. This is from one of our other design team members, Ashley McGregor, and this is Birthday Cake. So you have at the top there candles, cake in the middle there, and then blue icing at the bottom. Next up we have Tropical Nights. This is a new embossing glitter set. That's hibiscus at the top, palm in the middle there, and then at the bottom that is Midnight Sky. This is Lucky Day. So we have at the top there Pinky Winky, True Blue in the middle, and Lucky Clover at the bottom there. This is the Party Poppers trio. So we've got Poppin' Yellow at the top, Poppin' Pink in the middle, and Poppin' Blue at the bottom. Again, not supposed to pick favourites, but I think this might be it. I just think, yeah, it's so much fun. Then I lost the packaging for this, but this is the Golden Days trio. So we have Golden Green, Golden Pink, and Golden Blue. Next up, we're moving on to our single pot powders. So here we have Steel Blaze. We have Peach Posset, which, yeah, is beautiful. It's so vibrant. This is California Gold. Then we have Rock Rebel, which is just amazing. I love this one so much. Then we have Niagara Blues. And then we do have another two that I didn't have in hand when I was filming. So they are Nevada Pink and Frosted Glass. Next up we have a brand new product type that we are bringing out. And so these are our fab foilers. So they are toner printed sheets. So they are going to work with your laminator or Mink machine, any of those, to add off fab foil to them. So the first set that we have are the solid ones. As you can see, Verity's just holding up an A2 panel next to them, so you can see that they are 4 1/4 wide, but they are taller than 5 1/2, so that they will work with US or UK standard size. So this set is the Love and Hug set, and it was designed by Verity herself. So we have some different patterns. We've got some distressed stripes, some squiggly lines, some like distressed circles, spots, and some lovely sentiments. Then this is the Sweet Sentiments set that I designed myself. So you've got Got lots of different sentiments, both black on white and white on black, so you could use those as they are or foil them. And then the other two designs in the sheet are a repeating happy birthday pattern, which again, black on white and white on black. Then last up we have a set that was designed by the lovely Marion. This is background art, so you've got some splatters, some diagonal stripes, some love hearts, ring, circle pattern. And in these sets you are going to get 4 of each of the designs. So you've got 4 designs and 4 of each. So you get so much in these sets. So whilst I show you a few of the samples that the design team made for this new release, I'll just give you a few details on the hop that we are holding to celebrate the release. So if you check the description box below, you'll see all of the terms and conditions and the details for the hop, along with the link to the person that is next in the hop, so you can hop through and watch all of the design team inspiration videos. And once you've done that and you've got to the end of the video hop, then be sure to head over to Instagram, because we have even more inspiration to show you over there. We've got some other of our design team members and guests over there, and even the people that have done the hop here, we've made additional inspiration for our Instagram hop. As you can see from that little slideshow there, we have had some amazing samples, so I know that you're going to have some wonderful inspiration for how to use this new release. Let us know in the comments below what your favourite product of the release is, and be sure to comment on all of the videos so that you are in with a chance of winning a $25 or £25 gift card to the WOW US or UK site. I hope that you have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.